Hi friends, it's time for math right now. So we're going to do very similar to what we did last Tuesday. We're going to work on next dollar up, okay? So what happens when you don't have any change? You only have dollars. Look, I'm going to use kind of more some money examples this time to help us. I only have dollars. This is all the money I have. See, look, I have this money right here. I don't have any change, right? Change is those quarters, those nickels, those dimes, those pennies. I don't have any. So I can only give him dollars. And sometimes that means we have to give more money than what the actual cost is and get some change back. Okay? So we're going to do very similar to what we did last week. We're going to go through the PowerPoint, and then you guys are going to work through a little worksheet after this, okay? I recommend that you go ahead and get a number line ready to work with, okay? So I would have it look like this, 0 through 10, because we won't go higher than 10, and it will help you so you can find that next dollar up, okay? So I'm going to have you pause the video and go get a number line, or have your mom or dad help you make a number line. All right, glad you have your number line. Now we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's see, for our first, oh, let me share the screen. Almost forgot to do that. Okay, so for our first item, we're looking at, I don't know, what do you guys think that is? I kind of think it's like zucchini, but it could also be a pickle, and it could also be a cucumber, but we're going to call it a zucchini. All right, so we're looking at a zucchini for 25 cents, okay? Now, do I have 25 cents? Do I just have a quarter that I can hand over to them? I don't, do I? So I have to pay more money than the cost of the zucchini and get some change back. So when I look at my price tag, it says 0.25. I always look at the number in front of that decimal, and that says 0. So we're going to look at 0 on my number line and go 1 up from 0. Okay, so I start from 0, and I go up 1. What number does that give me? $1. Very good. I'm going to go ahead and give him one, or the cashier, that could be a her too, $1. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay, so our next one is we're looking at dog food, and it costs us $1.99. Okay, so I always start. Well, like I said, I don't have 99 cents to give him, right? I can't just give him $1 and then I don't have 99 cents. So I have to give him more money so I can get change back. Now, if I'm looking at my price tag, it says $1.99. I look at my number before the decimal and I go 1 up from that. Okay, so my number before the decimal is 1. I'm going to go 1 up on my number line. 1 up equals $2. Good job. So I would hand him $2. Let's see. This is $2. Okay. Ooh, good job. Next item, pretty similar. We're looking at a can of pineapple juice, or just pineapple, I think, for $1.75. Okay. So like I always do, I'm going to look at my first number in front of the decimal, $1. I don't have 75 cents, so I need to give him only dollars, which means I need to give him more money. So I'm looking at my $1, and I'm going to go up 1 on my number line. 1. What number is that? 2. Very good. Again, I'm going to give him $2. Find $2 and point to it. Good job, guys. All right, our next one, going up a little bit in price. We're looking at peanut butter that costs $5.20. Okay, so it's a little bit more expensive than what we've been doing. Now, I don't have 20 cents, do I? And if I just give him $5, is that enough? No, right? Because it costs more than $5, but I don't have 20 cents, so I have to give $1 up instead of the change, okay? Or instead of the cents. So if I'm looking at my number line, I look at my number in front of the decimal, it's 5. I find that on my number line, and I go $1 up, which is $6. Okay, so I would hand him $6. Let's see, I would do this $5 bill. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5, 6. Good job. Okay, we're going to do a few more. All right, I'm looking at some lemonade cans. It must maybe a 6-pack you could get for $4.99 for lemonade. Okay, so I know that I don't have 99 cents. I only have dollars. I need to look at my number in front of the decimal, which is 4, and I need to go 1 up. 4, 1 up from 4 is 5. Good job, guys. And I need to give the cashier, I'm going to give her $5. Okay, good job. And we'll do, this will be our last one. Our last one is, what is the next dollar up from 6? The jar of pickles costs us $6.88. Okay, so I'm looking at $6.88. Now, I don't have 88 cents. So I just have to give him dollars. I'm going to look at my number before the decimal, which is 6. And I'm going to go up 1. What number am I at? 7. Good job. So I'm going to hand the cashier $7. Let's go ahead and count out $7. So I've got 5, 6, 7. There we go. I'm going to click on $7. Good job, guys. All right. So that is what we're doing for math today. I encourage you, if you or your parents have some money like this lying around, I would use that to help you. I think it's really good practice to actually pretend to hand the cashier that money to practice giving it to them and practice your next dollar up and counting your money, okay? So you need a number line to solve your next problems, and it would be really helpful to also have some hash to practice, okay? Go ahead and do your worksheet, and I'll talk to you soon. Good job, guys.